I'm Mark Sudon, a Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Here today to show you the new M&R Global Copperhead Mini. This is basically a tagless machine, but it has the ability you can print koozies, child-size shirts, you can do yoke prints, you can do inside labels with it. This one here is a 2-color, 3-flash machine. It has 3 quartz flashes on it, and it has 8 pallets, which are interchangeable with different sizes. You'll see with this press, you have the screen comes down, so it's a flat indexing machine, and upwards of speeds of 2,400 pieces an hour. Each print head has manual controls on it, so you can index the machine or you can do individual prints at each print station. Each print head has the micro-registration located at the top, so you have your front to back registration and your left to right. And all you have to do is loosen the kip handle and it'll release the tension, and you can move your screen left, right, top, and bottom. Another feature of the M&R Global Copperhead Pro Mini is your squeegee pressure adjustments are right here on your carriage for your squeegee and your flood bar. And it also comes with wing flood bars, which is really nice feature with this machine, so you don't have to move ink while you're doing your print run. For more information on the M&R Global Copperhead Pro Mini, visit gogsg.com and follow us on social media.